Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install apps in your Slack workspace to connect your favorite tools like Google Drive, Zoom, or Jira directly into your workflow. Step 1. Access the app directory. In the 2026 Slack interface, finding new integrations starts in your sidebar under the Tools hub. Click on More in the left-hand sidebar and select Apps. This opens the app browser. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top. Otherwise, you can browse by category, like productivity or communication. For the full experience, you can also click App Directory in the top right to open the complete Slack marketplace in your web browser. Once you've found the tool you need, you'll need to initiate the connection. Click on the app's name to open its details. Then click the Add to Slack button. This will redirect you to the Slack marketplace. Click Add to Slack again on the website. Note that if you aren't an admin and your workspace has restrictions, you might see a Request to Install button instead. In that case, you'll need to send a short message to your admin explaining why you need the app. Step 3. Review permissions and connect. The final step is granting the app the necessary scopes to work inside your channels. Review the permissions list, what the app can view and do, and click Allow. After allowing access, most apps like Google Calendar or Zoom will ask you to authenticate by signing in to that specific service. Follow the on-screen prompts to log in. Once finished, you'll be bounced back to Slack and the app will now appear under the Apps section in your sidebar, ready to use. And that's pretty much it. To install an app in 2026, navigate to More, then Apps, search for your tool, and click Add to Slack. Review the permissions, allow the access, and sign in to the external service to complete the integration and start automating your work. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.